What's up, my lovelies? Welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to have you here today. So today we're going to be looking at this unit I received from a company called Icon Beauty Supply. I will link all their information down below. Icon Beauty Supply is an online beauty supply vendor, and guys, they literally have every single thing that you can possibly imagine when it comes to the wig and weaves and braids worlds. They have so many products, guys, so you absolutely have to check them out. But I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking now and let you watch the installation of this unit, and then I will hop back on and give you my final thoughts on this hair.
I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter. Do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics. Do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it. Don't make sense now. Give it a cut. Yeah. Put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump on my back. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Nigga catch a break. Better way. Oh, hey. Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good. I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a
Alright, my loves, so my final thoughts on this unit. Well, I absolutely love the curls on this unit. I think that is my favorite thing about this hair, is I love these big kind of like sexy curls, like loose sexy curls. I think it's so beautiful. And I love that this unit is really thick. Like, I can't stand a scraggly wig. Like, that ain't for me. So I love that this unit is nice and full. The strands are full from root to tip. Like, it's a really, really nice voluminous wig. I also love the lace on this unit. You guys saw in the beginning of the video, like, you get so much parting space and so much lace to play with. You can literally do half up, half downs. You can get really creative with this unit because of all the lace that you have in the front of this unit. I also love that this unit comes with that breathable scalp. So, you know, it has in the back of the wig, the tracks are sewn, but there's no like material that they're sewn on top of, if you get what I mean. So it's just kind of like you have a lot of breathing room. I think that's great, especially for summertime. I live in Jersey. It's hot as heck in the summer. So this unit, you know, will help to like get some breeze and some airflow to my scalp. So I love that. Now, the one thing I did not like about this unit, guys, is that she is a tangler. This unit tangles. And I mean, she tangles. Like combing it, running my fingers through it, it gets kind of tangly. So that I wasn't really excited about. However, there are things you can put in your wig or on your wig so that, you know, it doesn't tangle so much. There's actually a specific product I always use on my wigs, my synthetic wigs, that help them not to get so tangled. So I know once I spray some of that on there, you know, she should be good to go. That was my only issue with this unit. I also really love the texture on this baby. Oh my goodness. I love units that are not like super duper silky. So this unit really has some texture to it. It looks like you know, if you had your hair lightly relaxed, or if you are natural and you got your hair, you know, with a silk press and put some curls in it or something, like that is the texture that this unit is giving me. So I really, really, really love that. Sorry, y'all. It's cute. It's really, really cute. But anyway, so yeah, so overall, I am really feeling this wig. I'm just not a fan of the tangling. She didn't really shed, which was great, but the tangles, oh Lord, it does tangle quite a bit. Although I did have, you know, I do have some tangling issues with this unit, it is still a unit that I will rock. I'm actually thinking that I'm going to wear this on Valentine's Day because it is just giving me sexy hair. But anyway, guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure that you thumbs this video up if you liked it, and make sure that you subscribe and ring that notification bell as well. A huge shout out to Icon Hair for sending me this gorgeous unit. I really appreciate it. Guys, make sure you check out Icon. I'm going to link all of their information down below, and I'll also put their socials on the screen as well. And also make sure you're following me on social media, and I will chat with you all later. Bye.